This video will see the researcher's view for the count-based catalog. When the researcher hits the catalog URL, they'll see the dashboard page first. The dashboard gives you the view of the data collected into the OpenSpecimen in a counters, in a metrics, and in a pie, as you can see on the screen. To navigate to the catalog, you can use the view catalog option on the right hand side of the page. On clicking on this option, you will redirect to the catalog result view page. On this page, you can see multiple parameters. So on the left hand side, you can see the name of the catalog, which is demo specimen count based catalog. The help button redirects to the Confluence page, which I have configured at the catalog level. You can configure any web link which you have locally accessible, or you can provide share points which will guide the researchers to how to use a catalog. Researchers can use multiple filters to filter out the data based on their requirement of the research. If I want a female samples with a pathological status as malignant, you can see the moment I use the filters, the result view changes and it gives me the proper specimens that matches these filters. So you can see these gender are female and the pathological status is malignant. Gender, type, anatomic site, these all fields, columns are configurable and configured by the biobanks using reporting module. If you want to see any extra fields, those as well you can add. You can see there the vital status, biohazard. These fields are again configurable at the catalog level. So once I select the fields and click on done, those fields get added on the catalog result view. You can see the vital status over here. Biohazard also gets added over here. Specimen count, specifically rather than showing a single row for each sample, it groups the specimens with certain filters and shows the count for those specimens, so that you can select all the 7 samples in a one go and add it to the cart and use it for further research. So you can select samples by just clicking over them, or you can select them by clicking the checkbox over here. So if you see, once I select the checkbox or select samples, the add to cart get option activated. Let me just add this 7 samples for ADC. Before adding the samples, the cart shows 0 count. The moment I add the sample, it will show me as a count 1. Now on the carts page, here you can review the specimens that you have added, and you can see the criteria as well that you have used. I have used the gender as a female and pathological status as malignant, and I see there are 7 count of the ADC that I'm requesting for. In the comments, if you have any specific details for aliquots, you can add over here. If I want the aliquots with the 7 ml for each sample, I'll just add it here. Okay. While reviewing, if you feel that some specimen you do not wish to submit, then you can discard them or clear them out by just clicking on the icon over here. Or if you want to clear whole cart, then you can use the clear cart option as well. If you want to navigate back to the result view, then you can use the back to search option and you will be redirected to the result view. Once you are ready with your cart, you can click on the submit request. On the submit request over here, you will need to fill a form. Here I'll be providing my email address. And if you have a IRB ID contact details, then you can add those. There are a couple of mandatory fields. If you again, this form is configured at the biobank by the biobank. If there are mandatory fields, those will be highlighted as like this. Please fill these details. So this is Demo Institute and some demo shipping address. And once I'm ready with this, I can click on the submit request. You will get the ID of the request that is generated. Along with that, you will get an email notification that the request has been put, and request manager also gets the email notification